Hi everyone and welcome to Defi Daily, the channel where every day we talk about DeFi, going through different analysis, news and tutorials. Today we're going to talk about bullish.com. Bullish.com is a brand new project powered by EOS, and it could be a really game-changing for the whole industry, but for sure for the destiny of EOS. And we will go through it in a moment. Before to start, a quick disclaimer: always remember that all the contents in this channel are just for educational purpose and nothing has to be intended as a financial advice. Do always your own research before investing in anything. And if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Just press the subscribe button to be always updated, and please leave me also a thumbs up to help it spread the word and reach more people. Okay, let's jump into the topic, and I would like to start with this news, directly from the bullish.com website, and let's read. Block.one and prominent investors launch Bullish Global with 10 billion in funding. Yes, guys, we're talking about 10 billion. And announce the 2021 launch of the new cryptocurrency exchange, Bullish. And this is a really interesting news because we are talking about a brand new company that is receiving a lot of money, because 10 billion are a lot of money. But more importantly, this company is coming from Block.one. Block.one is the company behind EOS. And it has been quite a while since the last time we heard about Block.one and EOS. EOS was a blockchain that was really hyped and everyone wants to buy in around 2017 and 2018. At that time, in the previous bull run, we were thinking that EOS had the opportunity to really change the whole crypto market. The truth is that in these 4 years, nothing happened at all, or at least almost. There hasn't been as a great adoption. There have been a lot of criticism against against EOS, saying that it is too centralized, and it has been overtaken by many other blockchains, starting from Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Atom, Phantom, and so on. It's like right now in the market, everyone wants to invest in some alternative blockchains. And when I say alternative, I obviously intend alternative to Ethereum, that is the main blockchain in the market. But no one is caring about EOS. And I think that this project, this new company, the Bullish Global, with 10 billion in funding, could change the game. At least I hope. It would be interesting seeing something new on EOS. And I have to admit, because I have tried the bullish.com platform, the exchange, and it has a really smooth, it is a really smooth experience, and quite interesting and quite promising. I will show you in a moment. Going through the news, as you can see here, Bullish Global has been capitalized with over 10 billion in cash and digital assets. But there is another point that is really interesting, and here we are. Bullish has built a strong team that is focused on bringing innovative and compliant solutions to market. And the word that is really interesting, at least in my opinion, is compliant. Right now, we are living in a moment where compliance is really important. As you probably heard about Binance, and not only, many governments, but there is a lot of pressures on the different exchanges and the different platforms to be more compliant. For example, also Uniswap is being inquired right now by the SEC in the United States, because they are pretending that it's not compliant. I'm not here to talk about Uniswap, if it's compliant or not, and that's not the case. But what I think that is really important is that we are moving into a market where compliance and having the approval from the institutions is something that is really important. And for this reason also, I think that it could be really bullish also for EOS, and this project is something that we should take a closer look and will be and to stay updated. Okay, let's have a look to the website. If we go to the homepage, this is the homepage. As you can see here, Pilot is now open, and I will jump directly into the Pilot because I already signed up and I'm here to show you how does it work. This is the main interface. Right now the Pilot project is like a game. They are giving you a plafond with, I don't know, I can't remember how much. Your value portfolio right now is around, as you can see here, 500,000 USD, and you can use them to trade. For example, we can go to the trade interface here. And as you can see, the interface is, at least in my opinion, is really nice and is really close to what we are used to have on Binance Exchange, FTX, and all the other platforms. Here you have the order book, and having an order book on a decentralized exchange is something that is quite new. We have seen something like that only with Serum. And as we have been talking about in one of my last videos, and if you missed it, I will leave you the link here in the right corner to the video about Serum. It's something that enables really a completely game-changing ecosystem, and the Solana ecosystem is something that is really leveraging Project Serum. And for this reason, I think that it's quite interesting having another platform like EOS that right now is building something similar. And the experience is quite smooth. As you can see here, you can place an order limit here. Otherwise, you can place a market order. You can have also a margin order. Margin, it means with leverage. In this case, we can see here the leverage is free. You have the order book, you have the recap of all the trades, and you have also the depth chart. It's really like being in a centralized exchange. Going on into the platform, you can see here, this is the earn feature, and let's read here in the app. More rewarding, you bet your assets. Start earning passive income from deposited assets in the bullish liquidity pools by earning yield through automated market making and safe margin lending. As you can understand from this sentence, they are saying that they are offering pools. All of these are pools, and you will earn through yield of from the pools, the fees and so on, but also from safe margin lending. So you can also lend your funds and earn more passive incomes. Here on markets, we can find a recap of the different markets with the different metrics. Here on orders is just a recap of your orders, in portfolio just a recap of portfolio, and as finally you have history of the activities of your account. As you can see, the interface is really nice, and it's not being at all in a decentralized platform. Because if you try, for example, to compare this platform, for example, with Uniswap, here it is a completely different experience that is quite close to any other experience that you can have in a centralized exchange. As you can see here, you have also notification, you have the possibility to manage your profile, and so on. Coming back to the main page, to the dashboard, I would like to show you here the blockchain, because it gives us some information about how this platform is built. Built with blockchain, integrity and security should always come first, especially in the digital finance industry. That's why Bullish is built with trustworthy blockchain technology and transparent protocols at launch to create a transformed offering. Here you can see a EOS IO, a layer transparency, and so on. So as you can see, we are really talking about a decentralized exchange that is leveraged by a blockchain, in this case EOS. But before to conclude, I would like to have a look to the EOS price, because I think that the launch of this platform, I don't have any idea when it will happen. It can be in some months, I don't know. They are just saying that it will happen in 2021, but we don't know when. As you can see, this is the price of EOS against BTC. We had this spike and this spike at the beginning of 2018, but since almost 3 to 4 years ago, the price against BTC has continuously decreased, and right now is at the historical minimum. And almost the same we can see from the price against USDT. If we try to change the time frame, let's try to have a look to the weekly time frame. As you can see, if the whole market is going to do all-time highs in the last year, EOS is still like the maximum was here at around $24. Right now we are at $5, and the maximum of this bull run has been $14. So we are talking about an asset that if we compare it to what happened in the previous bull run, is highly underevaluated. And the question right now is undervaluated because it's going to die, because no one cares about EOS, or it's starting to prepare a new run that could really take EOS to new all-time high? I think I don't have an answer. I'm not here to say invest in EOS, because it could really grow in the next couple of months, because I don't know. What I'm just saying is that we are talking about a project that is having a completely new adoption, because bullish.com can be the core feature to build around a new DeFi ecosystem that is leveraged by EOS. And it's something that could really take the price of EOS really at new all-time high. But at the moment, we are just talking about hypothesis. So before investing, as always, do your own research, but always stay open, because I'm not sure that EOS is a project that is dead right now. Okay guys, that's all for today. Let's summarize what we have seen today. We have seen a new project, bullish.com, that is backed by a new company, Bullish Global, with 10 billion of funding. Bullish.com is leveraging the blockchain of EOS, and it is a decentralized exchange that would be the core, like is, for example, Serum for the Solana ecosystem, for a new potential ecosystem in the EOS world. And we will see what will happen in the next couple of months and in the next year. If you like this content, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to be always updated every time I post a new video. And guys, I will see you tomorrow. Remember, if you have any questions, just write me here below and leave me comments, and I will answer to you. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.